Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the new studio. So over the last month, we've been working nonstop on this studio right here. We've been painting the walls, setting up the desk, setting up the props, the lighting. Everything that we've been doing for the last month has gone into this, the new studio. So I wanted to make this video specifically introducing the setup, what we got going on, how you can expect us to record in this for future videos, because from now on, everything's gonna be done in here. The shots of me in front of the camera, maybe me unboxing something, everything's gonna be done right here. B-roll will happen in other places, but this is our new studio and I'm so excited to show you everything we've got going on. So first of all, right in front of me is a standing desk. It is white tempered glass. It's very beautiful, clear, and this is a really great thing. I've never had a standing desk before and I'm super excited for this because it can get pretty high. This isn't even as high as it goes. And it's going to work great because we'll also have another camera off to the side where we can be recording me unboxing something. And it's big enough that it fits in the frame with this lens. So I can have something over here, stuff all over the place. And you can actually see what I'm doing for the first time. I'm really tall, so usually the table is like way down here and I'm way up here. So now all of this is in the frame, which is quite awesome. Speaking of the lens, based on the suggestion of Lou from Unbox Therapy, we are using the Tokina 11 to 16mm lens. This thing is ridiculously wide. This is actually zoomed in to 14, almost 15mm, and you can see all of this. It's a good 7-foot view that you can see. And if you put it to 11mm, oh man, you can see corner to corner in this room, which is not that big as it is. But this is a pretty insane lens. It's really cheap too, so if you're looking for a nice wide-angle lens, it's actually pretty nice. Now this is sitting on our red, the Red Scarlet, and we'll be using this for all of our studio setup. For now, I may switch over to the Sony depending on how we like using the red as a studio camera rather than a B-roll camera or something like that. We've got audio up here on the Rode NTG3 going on a boom pole down there to the Zoom H5, which is recording. It's also piping that signal into the red, and the red is outputting to a 24-inch Dell monitor just right off to the side. It's on wheels, so I can roll it around if I want to. It's got HDMI and SDI all hooked up and ready to go, so I can look at myself right off to the side. I can see everything the camera sees, which is pretty awesome. Lighting me, we've got two softboxes. In the B-roll you're seeing, off to the side here is an LED light panel. We swapped that out for a softbox since then. They're both evenly lighting me. Everything looks very smooth and color temperature is the same on both, which is good. We've got a couple of lights here. We've got a string light on the side, kind of cool, called Cafe Lights. Got a light up at sign because this is at Tech, the name of the channel. Got a blue light on this side, got a green light on this side. This one may change colors from every now and then, depending on what we feel. It used to be red, but now it's green. So. And then here is our bookshelf with tons of very cool accessories and props. Everything that's in here represents me and what I like to do, who we are, our passions and interests, and what we do on this channel. So up top, we've got a Intel network card, and then behind that is a Mac Mini. You can't see the Mac Mini because it's not there. It's coming today, but it's a Mac Mini. It's going to go back there. We've got a Pixel box, all the call outs to follow and share on all of the social medias. Got a water bottle from Google and Amazon Go. I got the Google one when I visited Google, and the Amazon Go I stole from Amazon store. I didn't really steal it, but it felt like it. Watch the video, we did all of that. We've got a lens, a 24-105 Canon. What's cool about it is it's not actually a lens, it's a coffee cup. Got an egg light right there for some color. Got the Red Epic X box with a wooden camera in it, so that's pretty awesome. And then down below, we've got a couple boxes from Intel. Got an 8700K, an SSD, and an M.2 SSD. So all the stuff that represent what we like. Tech, cameras, and computers. So that's kind of what's in here. And that is, I guess that's really it. Just a really quick, brief overview of our brand new studio. I'm really excited to get working and doing a ton of stuff because we've only been just getting it set up and we haven't done a ton of filming in it yet. You can expect a couple of things to change, maybe the colors, maybe these colors will go away. This is actually a gray wall, but it's so bright in here it looks white almost. So things may change, we may swap out some lights, and this stuff may change as well. We'll swap things out as we go through if our interests change or something new comes out. So this is our studio. I'm really excited to get up and going in this. We're going to have some really great content and footage. It's going to be a lot easier to record because everything's always going to be set up. And it's a very cool little thing we got going on. So if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section. If you guys like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with At Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.